Have you been wondering, do Amazon ads work? Have you been running Amazon ads but wondering why you're failing? Well, today I'm going to share with you 5 Amazon ad mistakes, so stick around. Hey Riders, Keith Wheeler here, and if you want to continue to get all the hints, tips, and tricks on how to make self-publishing easier, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Smash that little bell icon so you get alerted each and every time I put out a new video. A while back, I did an entire series on how to set up Amazon ads, and I'll include a link to it right here. But first, what are Amazon ads? For those who don't know, Amazon ads, formerly known as AMS ads, are where you can run ads directly on Amazon for your Amazon-based products. For the sake of this video, we're going to be focusing on Amazon ads for books. Now, in my experience, the Amazon ads secret to why they work so well is that people are already on Amazon to buy. They already have their wallets out. You just need to help them decide on what to buy. Now, quick disclaimer. While I have had great success running Amazon ads, I cannot guarantee that your results will be the same. Running ads of any type should be treated as gambling, since there are no guarantees that your ads will do well. And even if your ads do well, you're not going to get paid from KDP for 60 days, while Amazon takes the money out for the ad during their next billing cycle. So never set a budget for ads that you cannot afford to lose. Now, enough of that, let's get on to the good stuff. You have a great chance of going from how to lose money with Amazon ads to how to make money with Amazon ads if you avoid these 5 Amazon ad mistakes. Number 1, running the wrong type of ad. Amazon ads can get pretty confusing with their variety of ads to choose from. I mean, you have sponsored ads and lock screen ads, and then you can run an automated ad versus a manual ad. It can get pretty overwhelming. Now, what I've found is that authors pick one type of ad and they just run with it. But the truth is that any given time with any given niche, there will be some ad types that work better than others. So which ad type is right for you in your book? Well, there's only one way to find out, and that's run them all. Run a sponsored ad with automatic targeting, then run a sponsored ad with manual targeting, and even run a lock screen ad. Now, with the lock screen ad, it will require a minimum lifetime project budget of $100, but don't freak out. Remember that you can pause and terminate an ad at any time whatsoever. Then once you find out which ad is working best for that particular book, then you can double down on that particular type of ad. Number 2, bidding too high. Regardless of what type of ad you run, Amazon will list a suggested CPC or cost per click price. I never use this suggested price. It's typically way too high. Start low, something like 10 cents or 12 cents a click. Remember, at first, you're just trying to find out what ad type and keywords are your best converters. So there's no sense in blowing through your budget with these high cost per click ads. Number 3, when using manual keyword ads, people don't use enough keywords. Especially when you're first starting a campaign for a book that you've never advertised before, or maybe you have, but you haven't advertised for it in a while. You want to try to use all 1,000 keyword slots that Amazon ads allows you. And remember, unlike KDP keywords, you're actually allowed to use competitors' author names and even their book titles as your targeted keywords. Now, if you're using Publisher Rocket, then do not deselect words that you think aren't relevant to your book. The only way to know what your best converting keywords are is if you use as many as you can. So just because it doesn't look like something that may pertain to your book, give it a shot, and later you can trim them down and create more efficient campaigns using your high performing keywords. Number 4, the set it and forget it mentality. This may work for your Thanksgiving turkey, but not for Amazon ads. I mean, would you give your wallet to your next door neighbor, tell them to invest it for you, and then just not check up on them? Of course not. You'd probably be looking through the front window going, what are you doing with my money? So you gotta check your ads daily. Now, I'm not saying be obsessed and check it hourly, but like I said, at least once, maybe twice a day, check your ads, check to see what keywords are performing and which ones aren't. Number 5, people quit their ad too soon. To be honest, some ads take 2 to 3 weeks before they really hit their stride. You want to wait at least 2 weeks and make sure that you have at least 2,000 impressions before you even consider shutting down the ads. Now, if it's already been a week or two, maybe 3, and you still don't have the 2,000 impressions, then you may want to consider upping your cost per click on some of your keywords. Because one of the reasons why you might not be getting a lot of impressions is your cost per click may be a bit too low. So again, that's one reason why you want to check them daily, is you can always go through and increment your cost per click. And by increment, I never increment by more than 2 cents at any given time, and then let the ad run its course. Don't check it one day, you're not getting any impressions or you're not getting enough impressions, and then up it 2 cents, and then the next day do the same thing. No, you need to give it time to actually get into Amazon's algorithm and really start to work. So these are the 5 Amazon ad mistakes that I've seen people do the most frequently. Now, if you have an Amazon ad mistake that I didn't cover, make sure you tell me about it in the comments so we can all learn from each other. I'd love to see what you find as an Amazon ad mistake that I may have missed. Now that you know the 5 Amazon ad mistakes to avoid, part of having ads that convert well is having a killer book description. Check out this video right here, and I'll show you how to really make your book description pop. Or you can check out this video right here that YouTube says you're going to dig. So either way, I'll see you in the next video, and remember to write right.